stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your month, even your year. But I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to pour, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before, I'll be there for you. So there for you too.
No one told us that life was going to be this way. I know you feel like you're stuck in the 2019-20 school year. It hasn't been our day, our week, our month, or even our year. You can't stay in bed till 10 because our school starts at 7:57. Your teachers are up and ready to start. Things are going to be great. Our mothers warned us there'd be times like this when the world knocks us down to our knees. But it will still be great because we're the KJHS Whippet family and we will be there for you. Hello, I'm Jackie McWayne. I'm the principal of Kosciusko Junior High School, and I want to welcome you to our new but different school year.
Hey guys, I'm Macy Wilbanks. I'm an assistant principal here at the junior high. We look so forward to having all the students here at school this year and can't wait to see them.
Thank you, Officer Snowbanks. I am Glenn Stevens, assistant principal at Kosciusko Junior High School, and I also look forward to seeing you as soon as you come back. And in the meantime, good luck and Godspeed.
And I'm Logan Cheek. I'll be joining everyone here as the lead teacher. I can't wait to see everybody. Have fun.
Hello, I'm Pacey Reagan, the counselor at Kosciusko Junior High. We're all looking forward to a bright new school year.
Good morning. We are your one and only Kosciusko Junior High secretaries. My name is Miss Huffman.
And I'm Miss Kyle. We're here to take care of your needs.
Don't worry, we will always be here for you.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Wood. I'm the librarian.
I got a question.
Hey, I'm Coach Briscoe. I do junior high boys PE.
And hey, I'm Coach Faulkner. I have girls PE.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Lishman and I'm teaching 8th grade math this year and I cannot wait to see you.
Hey everybody, I'm Miss Terry. I teach 8th grade math and 8th grade algebra 1. I can't wait to see y'all at school this year.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Walters.
And I'm Miss Mahan.
And we teach 8th grade English. And we can't wait to see you.
Stay safe.
Hey, I'm Kobe Wolford.
Hey, I'm Miss Tressel and we teach 8th grade science.
Hey, my name is Coach Dew and I will be teaching Mississippi Studies this fall.
I'm Mr. Terry. I'll be teaching geography this fall.
I'm Tessa Horn.
And I'm Mr. Kane, and we are your 8th grade Technology Foundations teachers.
We look forward to seeing you soon.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Briscoe and I teach 8th grade tutorial.
And I'm Miss Manus and I teach 8th grade SCD.
And we'll be there for you. My name is Miss Harthcock and I'm the SLP here at the junior high.
Hi, I'm Jason Howard. This is Roderick Howell and James Long, and we are the band directors.